This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Katie Avis. Tucked away in the quiet Caton Crossing subdivision, this sunlit and open floor plan awaits your personal touch. Highly sought after layout with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, plus a second floor laundry area for your convenience. 2 eating areas, main dining features a walkout sliding patio door to balcony, living room has vaulted cathedral ceilings complemented by a fireplace. Spacious closet space throughout, double closets in the primary bedroom, as well as walk-in closet in the second bedroom with extra attic storage access. The private lush patio area overlooks the hills with plenty of backyard oasis privacy. 1 car attached garage with ample storage and shelving. Close to shopping centers, schools, highways, and nature parks. For more information